Hello everyone, this is Alfred Checker, lead programmer for the Blockchain ARPG project. We are building an interest-bearing esports NFT game. This is a game built in Unity 3D game engine and is a survival game in the style of a traditional action role-playing game. Your main character's objective is to fight off as many zombies as they can throughout the session and get the highest score possible. The higher the level, the more zombies will come at you and the stronger they will be. Think Diablo meets Call of Duty Zombies. The game runs on Matic. We are using Chainlink for randomization and alarm clock, and Portis for login and Biconomy for gasless transactions. We are also using Audius to allow the users to play music while they slay some zombies. We are still working on implementing staking into a liquidity pool running on Matic. Each tournament is kicked off and Chainlink alarm clock is used to end the game. The contract itself is an ERC 1155. We first log in with Portis. In the background, we have the most popular songs on Audius playing. I'm not a fan of Skrillex, so let's skip the song. We're going to go ahead and stake Matic. Behind the scenes, we are using Biconomy for gasless transactions. Then let's slay some zombies. When the game starts, the player is dropped in the middle of this map, where there are several spawn points that the zombies also start at. Let's take a look at the gameplay more closely. The zombies will chase the player wherever they go on the map. They move slowly, but if you're not careful you could easily get swarmed and die. The zombies are only able to attack when they get close to the player. There are also spawn points where the power-ups appear. These power-ups will help you survive the oncoming onslaught of enemies by giving you health and mana. At certain waves, there will also be a big power-up that appears in the middle of the map. This power-up will give you a big boost in physical and magical attack damage, giving you the edge you need to survive the rest of the waves. The player character is able to execute melee attacks as well as shoot fireballs that damage the enemies from a distance. The character sheet shows the different stats that each player has, such as health, mana, armor, physical and magical attack damage, and critical strike rate. As the player fights his or her way through each wave, they will be given the opportunity to obtain a legendary object at random. Only one item will be minted at the end of the game. We use Chainlink VRF to select what legendary object that player is awarded. Once the game ends, Chainlink HTTP request is used to query our Game Database Service, which will then report back the winner to the tournament contract. The tournament contract will then unlock the NFT and allow the winner to claim the NFT along with the prize. Develop more levels that you can progress through and implement some form of provably random level generation. Improve upon key features of the core gameplay such as animation, sound, design, gameplay, and more. Implement new classes and a character customization system. Implement new and interesting enemies. Thank you.